Trailer Rental Service in Shallotte, North Carolina. Need to move something big? We've got the perfect trailer for the job. At Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service, we're your trusted partner for reliable and efficient trailer rental service in Shallotte, North Carolina. Our trailers are designed to help you tackle the most challenging projects quickly. Whether cleaning up your yard, clearing out debris, or hauling materials for a big project, Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service is here to make your job simple and stress-free. We understand the importance of having a trailer you can count on. That's why we offer a dependable trailer rental service in Shallotte, North Carolina, tailored to meet your unique needs. Need flexible rental options? We've got you covered. Our team ensures you have a seamless rental experience from start to finish. From easy bookings to expert advice on selecting the right trailer, Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service is with you every step of the way. No matter the project size, our trailers are versatile and tough enough to handle it all. Our friendly team is always ready to assist with tips and guidance, ensuring you get the most out of your rental. So, why wait? Experience the convenience of our trailer rental service in Shallotte, North Carolina today. Call Lazy Iguana Dump Trailer Service at 980-499-0135 and let's get your project rolling.